This cozy park model has everything you could need. Let's take a look. Comes with everything you see: the deck, hard awning, shed, skirting, AC, black tank, the park model itself. Let's check it out. Coming right into this little screen area, perfect for indoor, outdoor lifestyle. These snow supports in the middle will be going away, of course. So nice big open area. There's some outdoor carpet on there also. Perfect spot to watch the storms, get out of the sun, all those things. All right, let's check it out inside. Ooh, check out that beautiful green color too. This is one of my favorite park model colors. All right. Check out that fireplace feature. Wow. All those windows around it. You can do heat or flame on that. You can rearrange the furniture, of course, too, but got the recliner in the corner. And then this sofa here is a sofa sleeper. So that will pull out if you have guests or just whatever it may be. Coming this way, check out the open concept of this unit. Wowza. This one is so beautiful. You have such a cute, cozy feel in here. Darker wood, but you still get lots of light with all of the windows. And you have a lot of flexibility if you want to move the table around, chairs. You really can put it wherever you want and make it feel like your own. Coming down the hallway here, big storage area, lots of space there. And then 2 more storage closets. This one has shelves in it, so very storage friendly. This one does not have shelves, so we always like to recommend a space for your broom, vacuum, things like that that can't fit in a smaller area. So in this one, you get the best of both worlds. And then in between here, you have a washer dryer unit, which you don't see super often, and it's a really cool feature in this one that you have everything in your park model to feel like home. Coming into the bedroom here, this is a queen bed with some beautiful nightstands, beautiful headboard. Really makes it feel cozy and warm and homey in here. Tons of storage over there. Beautiful. Coming here now into the bathroom. We have glass shower doors. Nice big countertop with a mirror above that has storage as well. And the toilet. You have plenty of room in here too if you wanted to add some shelving, extra hooks, pictures, wall decor, whatever it may be. You can really customize this one to your liking. All right, let's check out upstairs now. Now we switch to carpet, and this is a double loft, so plenty of space, plenty of windows. Has a half wall here, so you get a little bit of privacy. You don't have to really see what's going on in the loft, but you still get some extra airflow. Really nice option in this one. And then you have the supplemental AC in the back corner there, just to cool it down up here when it gets extra hot. There are blinds on the windows too, so you can make it darker. Super cool loft. All right, here's the view from above. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. All right, so like I said, this one's turnkey ready. You can start your 2026 camping season outright. You can find us at lakelandrv.com. We are the Park Model Pros, and this one is at Western Woods Campground in Wisconsin Dells. Check us out.